Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you make your AI video for free. So you can generate with this any videos that you want. You just have to type in on this space. So as you can see here, I've typed in a random text here so that this AI can generate it. So for me, I chose Superman versus Batman on Mars. And as you can see, it generated this video. So it might load a while depending on the website's load, but it is definitely free, as you can see. And you can then download it and upload it to whatever platform you want. So as you can see there, you can create any videos you want here. You just have to type it in here. So for example, you type in like that. You just have to submit this and you just have to wait for this to finish. Keep in mind guys that it can take a while because there might be a long queue like what I have here, but it's okay because this is completely free guys. So okay guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.